4 ultra bright .019, medium horizontal fiber optic pins for ultimate visibility. Reversible mount design for use with left and right hand bows. Properly aligned shots with the precision installed bubble level. Multiple mounting holes for added customizability. Green hood accent for quicker sight acquisition. Top reviews from the United States. Amazing and easy to set up for your range, really holds true each shot. If you are on the fence on this one, don't be. I have been shooting at creatures with my bows for almost 25 years. This sight was extremely easy to install and set up. I was shooting bullseyes at 20 yards after 4 shots. Holds true, easy to adjust. Don't worry, it's worth it. It also came with a free light to light up your pins. Love this thing. Al.